Tired of throwing money at Facebook ads and not knowing if they're actually working? Let's fix that by setting up your Facebook pixel in Kvcore. First, head over to Facebook Events Manager if you don't already have a pixel created for your business. Click on Connect Data Sources and select Web. Next, name your pixel something descriptive, like Kvcore Lead Generation Pixel, and enter your Kvcore domain as your website. Click Continue. On the next screen, select Install Code manually. You'll see a block of code. Click the Copy Code button to copy it to your clipboard. Now, logged into your Kvcore account, navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section and then click on Settings. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel ID field. Paste the entire pixel code you copied from Facebook into this field. Make sure you paste the entire pixel code, not just the pixel ID. In that field, Kvcore automatically extracts the ID from the code. To verify everything is working correctly, install the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension, then visit any page on your Kvcore website, like a landing page or property detail page. The Pixel Helper should light up and show your pixel is firing. If it's firing, congratulations! You've successfully connected your Facebook pixel to Kvcore. Now you can track your ad performance and optimize for better results.